Wiggadoo.
Oh, what's that on the floor? Blocks and socks and so much more. Toys are having a crazy parade. Let's line them up and start a trade.
Grab a bin and spin around. Pick it up from off the ground.
Cleanup time is here.
Let's go! With a dance and a broom and a big hello.
Are you ready? It's cleanup time with Wiggadoo. Teddy goes back to his cozy chair. Bunny hops into her box with care. Lion roars, put me in with pride. All our friends are safe inside.
Puzzle pieces in the tray. No more stepping where they lay.
We sing this song while we clean. Teamwork makes our space so clean.
Cleanup time.
Cleanup time.
Cleanup time.
Let's all help, it's not a crime. Pick it up and put it right. We'll be done before the night.
Cleaning's fun.
Cleaning's fun.
It's like a game. Every day it's not the same.
Cleanup time is here to stay. Tidy up, then dance and play.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Go the little cars, driving fast to their toy box stars. Blocks go back, click and stack.
Build a tower, then bring it back.
Balls and baskets, dolls in line. Everything looks mighty fine. Cleaning helps us find our stuff and makes the floor less bumpy and rough.
Markers in their rainbow case. Crayons smile in their happy place.
Paint say thanks for sealing tight. No more mess in the middle of the night. Glue caps closed, papers filed.
Widow grins and gives
A smile. Clean desks mean fun ahead when everything's neat instead.
cleaned up time. Do the tidy shake. Wiggle and clean for goodness sake.
Dance and fold, sweep and hop. We won't stop till we reach the top. Make a game, make it fast.